Good morning, guys. I haven't vlogged the last couple of days, just literally been under the weather. I mean, because I've been travelling in the tuk-tuk. I think I catch the old man flu. So anyways, today we're at the airport, Osmani International, and my mate's coming, so we'll just come to pick him up, and then probably going to go back to his, and then after that, God knows what's happening. I think the plan for today is everyone wants to go and stay at my grandma's, so I think we're just going to be packing some stuff to take with us because we're going to stay there a couple of days. The plane's not here yet. Apparently on Flight Trader it's another 5-6 minutes away. They made the system so long now, man, because now you can only have one passenger come to the airport to pick up people. I don't know. Just doesn't make sense to me, because like if you've got so many people traveling, like we had 12 people coming when we arrived, so that's one person can come and pick up 12 passengers. Like, what on earth is that? So my cousin, he's got off, he's going to get another car, and then he's going to right, somehow get in, I don't know, let's see. Anyways, now we're going to have a mission, is how to get inside the airport. So once it's here, we're going to have to get inside, go upstairs, and then hopefully be able to go to the gate to pick up my mate. So I've tried to get in, it's not happening, so the plane is behind me, and well, one of my mates come out and see what happens. They made it so strict now. Before you can just give them a bit of money and then like get inside, but now obviously that's not happening. So anyways, let's see what happens, and hopefully it won't be too long. After all of their gassing and all of their not so sureness, it's finally here. It's made it. There was a bit of an issue getting into the airport, but just as he was coming out, I managed to get into the airport, and now we're going to his place. Then I think I'm going to leave him there to get sold in, and then go back to my place for a few bits to tie up. So today's going to be a very short vlog. So I'll try to vlog as much as I can. Like I said, the last couple of days I've not been well, so I've not been vlogging. All the roads on this side of the part of Sylhet is not so good. And, but yeah, he's enjoying it, so what he says.
He's just supposed to give him something because he worked hard in it while he was in another country. You're like all these running around.
Give it!
Thank you. This is Mama and Juma.
Just to say thank you. How do you want something?
What's that?
Did you write something in it? How did you write it?
What's that? What's that? What is it?
Huh?
Let's see cookies. Jay made a face. You have to snap it.
I don't know how good it is. This is Bangladesh. Okay.
I know that how much it is, yeah? How much it's hurting. Samad, look!
Where is he?
Look up!
Fire over. Fire over goes in again. Bonfire.
Oh, fire, Agun. Oh,
Zain, what do you think of that? Samad, look up! Look up!
Anna, I come. No! No! Get the phone!